Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to manage your cholesterol and keep your diabetes in check, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foods that can help lower your cholesterol levels. Managing cholesterol is crucial, especially for those of us with diabetes. The foods we eat can have a significant impact on our cholesterol levels and overall heart health. First up, we have avocados. These creamy fruits are not only delicious but also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can help reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels while boosting the good HDL. Next, we have oatmeal. A warm bowl of oats is not just comforting. It's also a powerhouse of soluble fiber. This type of fiber can lower LDL cholesterol and is also great for blood sugar control. Beans and lentils are next on our list. They're versatile, affordable, and full of fiber and protein. Including them in your diet can help manage cholesterol and keep your blood sugar levels stable. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are great for snacking and can help reduce cholesterol. They contain healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. Last but not least, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are champions at lowering triglycerides and supporting heart health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a big difference in your cholesterol levels and help manage diabetes. Remember, it's all about balance and making healthy choices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.